Hello students, let's continue the history chapter 9th of class 7th, the making of regional cultures. Students, the topic is the Rajput and tradition of heroism. Students, the present day Rajasthan called Rajputana by Britishers. It's mainly inhabited by Rajputs, but other communities also live in that areas. The several groups of Rajputs who identified themselves as Rajputas who lived in the areas of northern and central India. Rajputs contribute to a distinctive culture of Rajasthan. Cultural traditions were closely linked with the ideals and aspiration of rulers. So, students, the Rajasthan was ruled by various Rajput families, and the best example among them was Prithviraj Chauhan. So, Prithviraj was one such a ruler who fought valiantly, often choosing a death on a battlefield rather than face a defeat, and other Rajput rulers also having a same characteristic. Students, we know very well that the Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori in 12th century. So, students, stories about Rajput heroes recorded in poems. So, ordinary people were attracted by these stories, which often depicted a dramatic situation, friendship, love, valor, anger. Such characteristics mostly found in the Rajput rulers. Now, the Rajput women, they were also not lag behind. Okay, they were also a brave, valiant. Sometimes women figure as a cause for conflict, means for a war also. Due to women's in the history, many wars happen. So students, the example like Padmavat. Okay, so you sorry Padmavati, the Queen Padmavati. Students, you watch the movie Padmavat. In that, all the things are shown in that. So Padmavat is the queen who is a beauty, who is known for her beauty. She liked too much by the Aladdin Khilji. When he saw her, he wants to become her as his wife. That's why the war happened between the two rulers, and finally, when the Khalji defeat to them, at that time, the Queen Padmavat arranged the Johar, and she herself to live in the funeral pyre. Students, as men fought with one another to either win or protect the women, they are also following their heroic husbands in both life and death. There are stories about the practice of sati or the immolation of widow on the funeral pyre of their husbands. Why this so? Because they wanted to themselves with the clean characters. Now the story of Kathak. So dance can also be found in a different regions in a different forms. Students, the dance form is one of the important factor of making a regional cultures. So students, Kathak associated Katha word which used in Sanskrit and other languages also. And student, we know the word meaning of the word Katha. Katha means a story. And students, the Kathaks were the people who originally a caste of storytellers in temples of North India, who embellished their performances with gesture and songs. Means at that time, the earlier time, there is no dance form, but only the gesture and songs were there, and through this, they tell the story to the people. Now, how this uh, storytelling with gestures and poem convert into a dance form means the evolution of Kathak, how it's happened. So it's evolved in the 15th and 16th century with the spread of Bhakti movement. So legends of Radha Krishna enacted in folk plays called Ras Leela. So Kathak was performed in the court of Mughals. The major patron of Kathaks were Mughal emperors, nobles, and Wajid Ali Shah, the last Nawab of Awadh. It acquired its present features, means the gesture and poems and developed into a form of dance with the distinctive styles in the Mughal courts. It developed into two traditions of gharanas, one in the court of Rajasthan, that is Jaipur Gharana, and the other in Lucknow Gharana. Next, Kathak, a major art form. Under the patronage of Wajid Ali Shah, the last Nawab of Awadh, it grew into a major art form. By the third quarter of the 19th century, it was firmly entrenched as a dance form. Apart from Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and the adjoining areas of present-day Punjab, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh, in these areas this art form also introduced. Now, which characteristic of these kathaks? The kathak dance form emphasis was laid on intricate and rapid footwork of stories. Now kathak is known as a classical dance. In the 19th and 20th century, the British administrators disfavor the Kathak dance form, but it survived and continued to be performed by the courtesans, means the court people or the rulers. It was recognized nowadays after the independence. It was recognized as one of the six classical forms of dance